Hi everyone, my name is Kaley Gann and I'm the 2019 US Brewers Cup champion. Today I'm going to share with you some helpful tips on how to brew with Espro's Bloom Pour Over. So let's begin. This is a Colombia El Roble from Ceremony Coffee. It has nice notes of cherry cola, plum with a really full syrupy body. We then have our scale, our heat resistant decanter, our Bloom, of course, along with the Bloom filters, 23 grams of coffee, and 195-degree water, which is heating up back there. To begin, you'll start by removing the outermost filter from the pack. You'll always remove the bottom one. So you see here, you'll take the outer one, and you're just going to gently pull it away around the edges to release it. When you go around, it'll start releasing itself, and then gently pull it off the stack. Easy. And that way, this filter will nestle nicely in the Bloom. Perfect. Anytime you're brewing coffee at home out of a pour-over method, you want to pre-rinse your filter with hot water. So we're going to do just that. What this does is it prevents any paper taste from getting into the coffee, but also preheats the decanter. That way you're pouring hot coffee into a warm decanter. And once the water fully drains from the brewer, go ahead and dump that preheat water. Then set it back on the scale. Turn on your scale and make sure it reads 0. And we're going to add 23 grams of pretty finely ground coffee. I grind on a 7.8 on a 1:16 range grinder, so that is pretty fine. And we're going to begin with a 30-gram Bloom for about 30 seconds. And at the 30-second mark, pour really high with a lot of agitation up to 120 grams. At 55 seconds, I'm going to pour an additional 90 grams, going up to 210 grams. At around 1 minute and 20 seconds, I will pour 90 more grams up to 300. Slower with more contact time, because this is the phase of the brew where you're going to get more sweetness. At 2 minutes, I'm going to very gently pour the remaining 50 grams of water. Cheers. If you would like to know more about Espro's Bloom Pour Over, you can go to espro.com or follow Espro Inc. on Instagram. I hope you all at home are enjoying your Bloom Pour Over, and I hope this video is helpful for you. Have a great day, everyone. See you soon.